Hey, our friends, we're going to draw a dream printing machine.
Here's a quick preview of how our invention, our dream printing machine, turned out at the very end. I hope you're really excited to follow along with us. We're using our markers and marker paper to draw with, but you can use whatever you have.
Yeah, this is one of my new favorites.
Mine too. And when you're all finished with this lesson, do another invention that you make up with your own imagination. Maybe a snack machine that brings you snacks anytime you're hungry.
Yeah, or a teleporter that sends you to Hawaii.
Okay, that's where I want to go.
Yeah.
First, let's draw the printed dream coming out of the machine. We're going to start by drawing a straight line across the middle of our paper. I turn my paper sideways. Sometimes that's easier. I'm going to make it a little bit thicker, but you don't have to. Then we're going to draw the dream coming out of this slot. This is where it prints. So we're going to draw it curving out and down, and then I'm going to draw that same line curving and down. Yeah, and then we'll connect the bottom. So this is the paper with our dream on it.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, then we can draw a short line down on both sides, and then we'll connect it in to make this little area thicker. I'm going to start here and we'll draw a straight line down, and then we're going to leave that same amount of space right here, and we're going to draw another line straight down. Then up here at the top, let's draw a curve in the corner, and we'll draw all the way over and then curve down on the other side. There's the top of our dream machine. Dream printing machine.
Dream printing machine.
Yeah. Then we're going to draw, let's add little details. I'm going to draw another layer right in the middle. Then we can draw a line up. This is for the Wi-Fi. This is our antenna. Then I'm going to draw a circle at the very top.
Or it catches the dreams before they leave.
Oh, there you go. I like that. And then let's draw some stuff on the sides too. I'm going to draw that same kind of shape on each side. We can also add another layer. And our friends, you guys could add even different details. You don't have to draw the same ones as us.
Yeah.
I'm going to draw another antenna on each side, and then maybe a smaller circle at the top of this one. Now let's draw a shape here. This could be for the nose for a robot.
Oh, yeah.
And then I'm going to draw a big circle on the left and the same size circle matching on the right. Then inside of the circle, let's draw another circle that's smaller for the eyes. And I'm also coloring that circle in. Then up here, we could also draw more controls. This could also be a little screen.
Oh, yeah.
And
so
then
you can watch the dream.
Oh, yeah, it could be the dream. Or maybe this is, I'm going to draw little zigzags. This is the energy or the electricity that it's measuring.
Oh, yeah.
There's our robot. Now let's draw the kid. And we could draw ourselves too. We could change the details so that it looks more like us. But let's just start with drawing the two eyes. And I'm drawing the letter U's, so it looks like the eyes are closed. We could also add a little nose. And I'm also drawing a smile because it's a happy dream.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah. Okay, now let's draw the side of the robot coming down. And then we're going to draw it curving under for our little kid's head and connecting underneath. Yes, and then let's draw the separation between the robot and the kid. So I'm going to draw a little curve here. We'll imagine it going underneath the paper and then curve over here. Next, let's add ears. I'll draw a letter C and a backwards C. you could change and add your hair too. So our friends could add also eyelashes and long hair if they want, or short hair. You could draw curly or straight. I'm going to draw sideburns on the side, over the side of the hair. And then I'm going to draw little zigzags coming across and over to the other side. Awesome, now we can draw our kid in bed. Let's draw the blanket first. I'm going to draw a big curve going across the bottom. And then we can draw the shoulders tucking underneath the blanket on both sides. And then we also need to draw the pillow.
Oh, yeah.
Let's start by drawing a curve on each side. So I'm going to draw, but I'm leaving space here, and then draw a curve over here too. Then up here at the corner, I'm going to draw the corner of the pillow with a little details sticking out. And then the same thing over here, and then we'll draw it connecting in to the ear. And then we can draw that same little corner down here at the bottom going into the bed. I'm going to draw the blanket going past the pillow on both sides. You could draw it going, yeah, it's still going over here, but you could match it maybe further on that side. And we did it. We finished drawing our cool dream printing machine, except we still need to
color.
Yeah, this part will fast forward, but at the end, you can pause the video to match your same coloring, or
you can color it any way you want.
Yeah, and also don't forget to add a dream right here on the paper.
Yeah.
All right, let's speed things up.
Okay.
Awesome, we did it! We finished drawing and coloring our dream machines, and they turned out awesome. I especially love yours, dude.
Thanks, I like yours too.
And I like that we changed some of the details, or our friends could change whatever they want. You can color it differently, or pause the video and match our same coloring.
I like that we added a sleeping moon for the dream.
Yeah, I like that too. You can add your favorite dream to the paper. Also, be sure not to add your scary dreams.
Yeah.
You don't want to keep those.
No. We hope you had a lot of fun drawing a dream printing machine.
We do. We hope you had a lot of fun, and we'll see you later, our friends. Goodbye.